So to make healthy ice cream at home, you can make do with some ingredients you have in your pantry. So now I'm going to be adding some almond nuts. This is the little I have at home. You could add more. Yeah. So the next thing is some cashew nuts, my dates, and some oats. Yeah, like I was saying, like, and some oats. If you don't like oats, you can switch with banana. Then I'm going to be adding, this is tiger nut milk. You can do it with coconut cream or any other milk that you prefer. So I'm going to soak this for maybe 1 hour or so to soften it. Yeah. So I'm going to stir this and soak. Yeah. So guys, I'm going to blend this now. Yeah. Pour it into this. So I'm going to pour this into a container, cover and leave in the refrigerator for at least maybe overnight or 8 hours. Yeah, so that's what I'm gonna do. So guys, I left it in the fridge. I forgot to mention that you put cling film over it, as in it will touch the mixer so that it will not crystallize. So I left it in the fridge overnight, and I'm going to let it cool for, not cool, I'm going to leave it out here for 15 minutes. Then I'll come and take a scoop. Yeah, so I'm rushing to work, but as you can see, it's not yet melted, but yeah. And I'm actually not even using the correct ice cream scoop.